Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we'll dive into the world of web development with simple and easy to follow tutorials. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to see the latest updates. I am very excited to have you join this journey into the world of web development. In this YouTube playlist, we'll cover everything you need to know to start building amazing websites from scratch, and also everything you need to know about front-end development. Here is a quick overview of what we'll be covering in this course. 1. HTML basics. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. With HTML basics knowledge, you will be able to structure your web pages very well. 2. We'll have CSS fundamentals. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. With CSS fundamentals, you'll be able to style a page to make them look great and awesome. 3. We have JavaScript essentials. With JavaScript knowledge, you'll be able to add interactivity to your site. So, I'm going to be making a quick example of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript using the human body. So, HTML is going to be the skeleton. It is going to show us the structural aspect of how it's going to be. 2. The CSS is going to be the style, what beautifies us, our hair color, our skin color, and other stuff. While the last one, which is going to be JavaScript. JavaScript is the logical aspect, so let's say that's the brain of everything. It's going to be the one behind every functions that happen in the website, or in our body. Okay, so that's it for our introduction. In the next video, we'll start with the installation process of VS Code, which is going to be the IDE I'm going to be using in this course. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Let's get started with front-end development.